Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Bank of America online ID easy guide step by step clearly. To begin resetting your Bank of America online ID, open your preferred web browser. Visit the official Bank of America website. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to access the login section. Under the login fields, find and click on the link that says Forgot ID/password. You will be redirected to a new page. Select the option for Online ID. Enter the required information, including your account number or credit card number. Provide your social security number and zip code as prompted. Once all information is entered, click Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. You may receive a verification code via email or text message. Check your email or phone for the code. Enter the verification code in the provided field. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be able to create a new online ID. Choose a new online ID that meets Bank of America's security requirements. Confirm your new online ID by re-entering it. Once your online ID is set, you can log into your account using the new credentials. Be sure to save your new online ID in a secure place for future reference. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Bank of America customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.